And that's why, A, we have species, because an animal can evolve in different directions to such an extent that it can't interbreed if it were to come back together with it again. And
Mm.
human populations or human races, we're on that same path.
I was going to say, how long? So we split off from the African plains how long ago? 30,000 years ago? 40,000 years ago?
People usually give the date of about 50 to 60,000 years ago was the big migration out of the Africa that spread throughout the world.
Hmm.
So we're actually fairly young.
Right. How
So
long do you how long do you think that would have had to have kept going for without reglobalization for speciation to have occurred within
well,
humans?
that's a good question. I have a book too called Speciation, which is what I wrote as my technical book, my real first book. And so,
I'm not smart enough to understand that one, so I'll get
oh
you to
yeah, I
explain
know
it to
my
me.
friends want to say, "Oh, you wrote this book; it's so great. Can I read it?" And I say, "No, you don't want to read it. It's for graduate students. They buy it anyway, pay $50, and they say I can't understand it." But it was an attempt, and I think a very good attempt because nobody's ever tried to duplicate it, to explain what we know about how species come about and how they're defined and stuff. I can't remember. How long would it take? You're asking, and so, well, we don't know in primates. Well, I mean, we know that chimpanzees and humans, which are definitely two different species, but we know that because the experiment has been done of interbreeding them without success. They're about 7, 8 million years separate. So we know that at least at the outside, that's what it takes to make a species in primates.
Hmm.
We were only 60,000 years separated. So, I mean, that's only two figures.